Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna and this is Joanna Budgets. We are not budgeting today. I got this food grinder for Christmas and we are going to use it today. So buckle up, Buttercup. We're going on a ride. Don't ask me. I've got meat from the cow that we had. That's been thawing for a few days in the refrigerator. So I needed to get it done before it gets bad. So we are just going to pull all the parts out and then get the instructions and get on the go. This is a little bit terrifying for me because you always see those I guess this is to clean it. See those horror movies when they grind their hands up? I don't want to do that. Okay, let's get the instructions. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, using the metal food grinder. It would help if you would read the thing. Grinder screw and blade. Then choose, I think I'm going to go with this mid-grade one right here. Doesn't matter. It does matter. I'm going to give it a rinse. All right, cleaned it off. So then this should go in here. Oh, that's tall. I might need a step ladder to do that. Okay, it says insert the grinder screw into the main housing, then place the blade over the end of the grind screw. The blade should fit entirely inside the housing. If it doesn't, pull it off, turn it over, and place it again. Place grinding plate over the blade, matching the notch of the plate with the tab on the bottom of the main housing. Place the collar on the main housing, turning clockwise by hand until secured but not tightened. So I did all that. And then turn the stand mixer off and unplug. Well, it was off, but it wasn't unplugged. For stand mixers with a hinged attachment hub cover, flip up to open, which I did that. Insert the attachment shaft housing into the attachment hub, making certain the power shaft fits into the square hub socket. If necessary, rotate the attachment back and forth. The pin on the attachment housing will fit into the notch of the hub rim when in the proper position. Tighten the stand mixer attachment hub knob clockwise until the attachment is completely secured to the stand mixer. Cut food into small strips or pieces sized to fit into the feed tube. Turn the hand mixer to speed 4 and feed food into the feed tube using the food pusher. Okay. So this is the sausage stuffer. So I could make sausage of my own if I bought casings. I could use my pork to make sausage links, brats, that kind of thing. I could use the beef to make my beef smoked sausage that I like so much. Figure out how to do that. That'd be cool, right? Okay, so all we are doing is just making basically hamburger. So this was a beef chuck blade pot roast. We don't do roasts very often, so this was just gonna sit in the freezer until Jesus came back. So I'm going to trim off as much fat, and this one actually has a bone, as much fat in the bone as I can, and then we're going to put it in the grinder and see what happens. I should have my there we go. All right. And since this was already frozen in raw form, what I thought I'd do is brown it and then put it back in the freezer. I might use some of it for dinner tonight. I'm not sure what I'm cooking for dinner. Sharpen my knife. I don't know if this is the right knife to use, but this is what we're going with. sure shit luck. Because it was on. It was on. I didn't make sure that it was off. So how I didn't destroy things is something. There we go. Now it's all the way in there. It was a shit show waiting to happen. All right, so you're supposed to put it on 4. Okay, so I got the scale out. I'm just gonna go ahead and brown the beef up. Because like I said earlier, it's been thawing in the refrigerator for a few days, and oh my god, it's so pretty. So I got 5.7 pounds of beef out of those 3 items. Look at it. It's so pretty. I'm just like, yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. So when I need ground beef, I just have to thaw it, grind it, and use it. So this is gonna just get browned. I'm gonna season it like I season my taco meat and things like that. I'm thinking that we might do like some kind of a hamburger helper, like a homemade hamburger helper of some sorts tonight, which means I'll have to bring out the pasta maker later. My son's supposed to be back here tonight. They had car trouble the other day, so they're gonna be back. They're gonna be in town for another week, but they've moved over to my mom's house. They think the kids might be allergic to the cats. We have 5 cats. My mom has 3. Maybe they're allergic to dogs. She only has 1. They have less pets there than we do here. So they're hoping that maybe their allergies will stop acting up so bad. So they're going to be over at my parents' house for the rest of the time until their car is fixed. And then they'll be heading home. But they're supposed to be here sometime tonight. I imagine they're going to be here for dinner. So 5 pounds of hamburger should be good. And whatever I make, if I have too much hamburger, then I will just freeze it for like another Taco Tuesday or something, because I can just throw it in the crock pot and heat it up with a little bit of water or beef broth or something like that. And so yeah, that's my plan. All right, I'm not gonna make you watch me brown my meat, but that was fun. I love that contraption. I can't wait to do pork. I can't wait to do more beef, because this looks like it'd make great hamburgers, great meatballs. I might actually thaw some more out. I have a ton. I'm telling you, I have like a tenth of a cow in stuff that needs to be ground up. So, and then my daughter has more roasts in the freezer, and I'm going to pay her for those. They're at my mom's house. I'm going to pay her for those, and I'm going to grind up more meat. And I might just patty out hamburgers and freeze hamburgers so that we can have hamburgers whenever we want. I don't know. I'll take you along for the ride, though. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you. I hope you have a blessed day. I hope that your New Year's was amazing. Mine was fantastic. We played games, drank wine. I drank a whole bottle of wine all by myself. I don't normally drink, so I was a little bit tipsy. I don't do that often at all anymore, so it's probably been a year. It was probably last New Year's Eve that I had a drink, so. All right, guys. Bye. Love you. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all the things. Bye.